What is up guys, Fun Technician here, talking about the OnePlus Watch today. The OnePlus Watch finally got the most awaited feature, that is the always on display. Since the launch, users were demanding that OnePlus Watch needs an always on display, and once OnePlus posted a thread on their forums about OnePlus Watch, and one of the question was that does it support always on display, and OnePlus said that this feature will be available in future via an OTA, and finally OnePlus did what they promised, and this feature is now available with the latest update. OnePlus Watch got always on display. We'll show you how this AOD works, what kind of watch faces they added, what is good and bad about it, and what about the battery life and complete stuff. But before that, if you guys are new on this channel, then do consider subscribing, especially if you're a OnePlus fan. Do consider subscribing now because we share the complete tech stuff about OnePlus and give away OnePlus products and vouchers too. Especially thanks to Johnny Callan for sending this OnePlus Watch stuff. If you guys don't know him, he is OnePlus brand ambassador in Germany, so you guys can follow him on Instagram from the top right corner. So we'll tell you how about the OnePlus Watch, that what kind of watch faces are here. So this is the Instagram account, you can follow him. So here we go for the OnePlus Watch. So here the already we have applied the watch always on display face. You can see when we go in settings, we have an option of display and brightness, and here we have four watch faces. First is eco motion, followed by the neon red, third one is pen lobe, and the last one is fireworks, which is my favorite. So here I will show you by applying all these watch faces. So here we go for the first one, neon red. So just apply, and here we go. So this is how this watch face looks. It's just simple, I would say nothing much, but it's okay. I would say just a simple watch face. Here we go for the second one. Just go to back in settings, click always on display and apply the watch face, and here apply the pin lobe, and here we go how this looks like. So here is the pin lobe. This one is also great. You can see how it looks like. The numbers are designed, it's really good. So the third one is fireworks, which I personally loved, but I love this, but I think they should have added some colors because it's just white, and if they would have added color, that definitely would be looking beautiful. You can see how this looks. It is great, it really looks great. I would say among these four, this one is really great. You can see on your screen how beautiful this looks, but if they would have added colors, then it would make it more better. So now about the last watch face, you can see we have a 9 Pro in the background. While focus on the watch, you can see applying the last one, which was first on the watch, which is eco motion, and this one is also good. So just going back to apply the same, here you can have a look. Here apply the eco motion and have a look at how this looks like. Here we go, it's pretty simple, just tap brave, and this is how this one eco motion looks like. It is definitely beautiful too, but we really expect some more watch faces because the watch itself has 50 plus faces, but the always on display got only 4 faces. So that was all about this all watch 4 faces. So I hope you would loved it. So now let's talk about the battery life with these always on display. So accessory testers for OnePlus were using it from like the past few days, and they said the design of always on display does not have any consistency with the watch face, and it stays on for 24/7. So I could say I shown you the watch faces on the black one. You can see on this what's a silver one, this really looks beautiful on the silver edition too. So that was all about the OnePlus Watch always on display.